Hello, in today's lesson you will learn how to suggest doing something together, how to ask about the listener's opinion, and how to make a guess in a question form. For this you will need this grammatical construction. You can use it with verbs and adjectives. Note that 을 and 가요 are written together. When talking to friends or children, you can just use 리을, 을, 가 without yo. Try to translate the sentences by yourself. Shall I close the door? 문을 닫을까요? Or 닫을까? It is not necessary to use a pronoun. Shall we eat? 우리 밥을 먹을까? Or 밥을 먹을까요? What shall we eat? 우리 무엇을 먹을까요? Or 무엇을 먹을까? And when shall I come? 언제 올까요? And a few more examples. Do you think the movie will be interesting? 그 영화가 재미있을까요? You can answer 네, 재미있을 거예요. Which medicine will be good? 무슨 약이 좋을까요? What do you think was that friend's major? 그 친구가 무엇을 전공했을까요? And the last example. Do you think it is cold outside? 밖에서 추울까요? That's all for today. Good luck and see you in the next lesson.